Hi guys, J&M here with a new Blender 2.8 video about the feature multiple object editing. So let's get started with the Blender 2.8 experimental build that I just downloaded. The link is in the description. I have the default cube here, and the first thing that I do is to move this to the left, then I press Shift D to duplicate it, and now we have two objects, two cubes. Now I'm in object mode and I press the tab key to go to the edit mode, and as you can see here, both meshes in edit mode are selected. Then I select these two faces of the separate objects and for example use the extract region tool to extract them. Some of the mesh tools can already be used for multiple object editing, for example moving the faces around is possible, or I can scale these faces, which makes especially sense when I use individual origins like this. So this is extremely useful, but there are still many things to be done. For example, insert faces. Here I have selected two faces of two objects, but only the face of the active object is taken into account. The same applies for bevel or other operations. But it's a great start anyway, and what I also want to show you is the UV editing for multiple objects. So I open a new UV image editor, a separate window, and then I go ahead and select all the polygons by pressing A. After that press the U key and unwrap. And in the UV image editor you can see the UV islands of both objects. Let me demonstrate this. First I deselect all faces. Then I hover over the first object and press the L key. These are the UV islands for the first object, and again L for the second one, and here we go. And again, this is not implemented for every kind of UV unwrapping. For example, the smart UV unwrapping only works for the active object. But this will change. The developers are doing a great job, and it's always so exciting to download the latest version and check out the new features. So thanks a lot to the Blender guys for doing this. For me, this Blender 2.8 is a kind of revolution. Okay guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support me, please think about being my patron. This would really help a lot. Thanks for watching this, thanks for your support, and see you soon guys here on J&M.